Hello friends, I am your host Sugandh presenting you in DK Textile. So as per customer demand, we have launched a very new variety in the 3-piece segment. So here is the variety. Look at the colors and design, my friend. So if I tell about this variety, then this is the anarkali based 3-piece, my friend, not a kurti. This is an anarkali based 3-piece. Look at this, my friend. Look at the size, color and print. This is a premium fabric and premium print variety. And if I talk about this, then this is the whole anarkali looks like. Look at this, how it looks. And here, if I talk about the detailing of the, then here, look at this. Here you can get a fine thread of embroidery zari work with a border of gota patti lace in it, and a minor work of sequence also. And in the sleeve you can get this kind of lace. Yes, my friend, in the sleeve also you can get this lace, and here you can get this fitting knot also. And if I talk about this, then look at the width of this umbrella design. Look at this, how much width it is. And if I talk about the border, then look at this border, my friends. Here is the border. In the border also you can get this, and this is the same fabric which is used in the bottom. Here, look at the bottoms. Here same design used in the bottom. Here also you can get two laces and one gota patti lace, and here is the bottom of this, and this is the whole based on the Jaipuri mill print fabric. Yes, you heard it right, Jaipuri mill print fabric. Look at this. This is the front side of the piece and this is the back side. In both you get a minor difference which simply clarified that it is a mill print variety. And here is the bottom. Look at this plazo size. In regular market you can get this kind of size in 4XL or 5XL, but in DK Textile you can get this kind of premium range of size in only XXL. And if I talk about the sizes in these designs, you can get 4 sizes in every piece. Look at this. Here every combo look like this, in which you can get 4 sizes, M, L, XL and XXL, having 3 pieces, anarkali, bottom and dupatta. And here is the third piece of this segment, and here is the dupatta. Look at this, how much beautiful it's look. Look at this. This is a 2-meter dupatta, my friend. If I totally open it, then look at this, how much beautiful it's look like. And there is one special thing in this dupatta which I tell about in soon. So look at this. Here in the top you get designs in the top and bottom of this in the dupatta also. So here is your umbrella and it's all same design in the dupatta, and here is your bottom and it is also covered in this. So here look at this same design you can get in the dupatta also. If I talk about the price range of this variety, then you can get this all 3-piece in 550 rupees only. So each bundle cost you only 2200, and it will be easily sold out in more than 8000 to 10,000 rupees. Means per pieces you will get in 550 rupees, and you can easily sold out in more than 1500 to 2000 rupees. And if you want to purchase such kind of variety and design, then contact DK Textile. Look at this, how much premium it look whenever you purchase this kind of variety. So want to purchase this kind of variety or different kind of variety starting from rupees 90, then contact DK Textile. Number given in the screen, address is also given, so you can physically visit the store and purchase many ranges of variety available in DK Textile. So see you in the next video. Till that, be subscribe my channel so you can get updates of any latest trending variety. Thank you.